Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning to all. My name is Riveria Uruj. I am from Peshawar Model School and I am maths teacher. Today we are starting our unit number 2, which is number operations. In this lesson we will learn 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So our today's topic is addition. Do you know what is addition? Okay. The definition of addition is finding the total or sum by combining of two or more numbers. Simply, we can say to combine something. Do you remember the symbol of addition? The symbol of addition is sleeping line, standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. Let's take an example. For example, we add 5 plus 11 plus 3. If we add these numbers, we get the answer. We get the sum of these numbers, which is 19. So, here is the example of addition. Here we have 4-digit addition. Now, first of all, place each digit in place value chart. 6 at ones place, 3 at tens place, 4 at hundreds place and 1 at thousands place. And then we add 2342 in it. So we write the digit of both the number at the correct place. We need to do single digit addition. Now starting from ones place, so add single digit at ones column, which is 6 plus 2 equal 8. Then add the tens column digit, which is 3 plus 4 7. Then add the hundreds column digit, which is 4 plus 3 equal 7. And lastly add the thousands column digit, which is 1 plus 2 equal 3. So the answer is 3778. So we start from the ones place and go toward the thousands place. We are going right to left. Clear? Okay boys, now take out your book, exercise 2.1 and open page number 29. Question number 1 is use horizontal method of addition to add the following. Part number 1 is 3215 and 1231. First, we write the place of each digit. So, the place value of 5 is ones. The place value 1 is tens. The place value of 2 is hundreds. And the place value 3 is thousands. Same thing is doing with the other one. The place value of 1 is ones. The place value of 3 is tens. The place value of 2 is hundreds. And the place value of 1 is thousands. Now add these numbers. Starting from the ones place digit, which is 5 plus 1 equals 6. then add tens digit, which is 3 plus 1 4, then add hundreds digit, which is 2 plus 2 4, and lastly add thousands digits, which is 1 plus 3 equal 4. The answer is 4446. Now jump to our next question, which is word problem. Now let we use the word what we have used to solve the addition problem. We call these word problem as addition stories. These stories give us some information and ask us to find something. Whenever you read find and total number, you have to add numbers. So question number 15 is, the question is, a shopkeeper purchased 1235 bags of sugar and 2320 bags of rice. Find the total number of bags. So how many bags of sugar shopkeeper purchased? How many? 1235. And how many bags of rice he purchased? 2320. Now find the total number of bags. So add 1235 and 2320. So add these numbers. 5 plus 0 equals 0. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 2 plus 3 equal 5. And 1 plus 2 equal 3. Total number of bags he purchased, how many? 3555. Okay boys, it's time to do homework. Exercise 2.1, page number 29. Question number 1 up to 9, do it on book. Question number 11, 12, 13, 14, do it on your copy. And question number 16 is also do it on your copy. Exercise 2.2, question number 1 up to 6, do it on book. Question number 7, 8 and 9, do it on copy. Question number 10 and 11, do it on copy. Question exercise 2.1 and 2.2 is same. Okay boys? Exercise 2.3, page number 35. Practice all the exercise orally. Thank you. Goodbye.